All right, boys, before we get started, what are the firearms safety rules?
Keep the gun pointed in the safe direction. Keep your finger off the trigger. And keep the gun unloaded to ready to use.
Yeah. Anything else, Landon?
And make sure nobody is in front of you.
Make sure no one's in front of you. Keep it in safe direction, right?
Yeah.
All right. We're going to do that again, okay? Ready? Leave that alone. Off the table so we're not shaking the camera. All right, boys. Before we get started, what are the firearms safety rules?
A drill. Your finger.
Hold on. Let's start again. Landon, you can't have outbursts like that.